Hello everyone and welcome. The channel is Benny 217 and here you learn the English language and Luganda language with ease. Yes, today we are going to look at cooperatives. Can you repeat that? Cooperatives. Beautiful. Cooperatives. And in Luganda cooperatives kitegeeza okugeraageranya. Kiddemu okugeraageranya. Okugeraageranya. So, ebiseera ebisinga oyinza okuba nga oyagala kugeraageranya abantu babiri. Okay, mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. So tugenda kulaba cooperatives oba okugeraageranya ebintu bibiri. Okay, katutandike. So tuyina student ID. We have student IDs for Albert and for Mike. We have two people. So when we are comparing two things, we look at two items, ebintu biba bibiri. Okay, tuyina student ID eya Albert, tuyina student ID eya Mike. Are we together? We have two student IDs. So Mike has the following items. Also Albert has the following items. So mu Mike tuyina age, emyaka, height, obuwanvu, weight, obuzito. Okay? Even Albert tuyina age, emyaka, height, ne weight. So njagala wetegeeze zino ID. Zino figures oba za njawulo. Okay? Ono figures ono zaina no figures ono zaina za njawulo. Okay, let's look at cooperatives. Cooperatives katulabe tukozesa tutya cooperative form. Okay, if I have dash is older than dash. So when you look at the two, who is older? Ani asingako emyaka oba ani mukulu wa munne. So for age, we are going to look at Albert's age. Age has 20. Mike has 17. So of the two, who is older? Ani asinga obukulu. So we are going to look at Albert has 20 years and this one has 17 years, which means the answer here is Albert. So you start with the person who has the highest age. Ani mukulu wa munne. So Albert ayina emyaka 2 So we are going to say Albert is older than who? Than Mike. Is that okay? Albert is older than Mike. Beautiful. So let's go to the weight. Ani asinga ko munne? Ono alina 175, ono alina 105. Ani asinga obuzito? Ono 175, ono alina 5. So ono alina 175, this one has 150 kg. So who is heavier than who? Yes, of course, Albert. I'm going to say Albert. You start with the person. Albert is heavier. Okay? Heavier than. You use this root word than. Are we together? You use the root word than. So you say Albert is heavier than Mike. Albert is heavier than who? Than Mike. Beautiful. So who is taller? Ani asinga obuwanvu? Kubano bombi ani asinga obuwanvu? Okay? So Albert is taller than. So you use taller than. You don't use tall, but you say taller because you're comparing two things. That's why here we use heavier, older, taller. Is that okay? Good. So Albert is taller than Mike. Because you are comparing two things. You're comparing ebintu bibiri, ogerageranya ebintu bibiri. So for English, that's how you do it. You start with the person who has the highest or the highest figure and you say Albert is older or Albert is heavier or Albert is taller than Mike. Are we together? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, for Luganda we say for age tugamba mukuluku. One more time, mukuluku. So Albert, we're going to say Albert, order is Albert mukuluku ani Mike. Okay? So gonna gamba Albert mukuluku Mike. Are we together? Because ogeraganya abantu babiri. In English you say Albert is older than Mike. Mu Luganda ogenda gamba Albert mukuluku Mike. Then obuzito ogenda kujja ogambe Albert azitowa okusinga Mike. Okay? Albert azitowa okusinga Mike. And in English it is Albert is heavier than Mike. Okay. mu buwanvu tola ogenda kujogambe Albert muwanvu okusinga. So Albert muwanvu okusinga ani? Okusinga Mike. Okay, ogerageranya bintu bibiri. So Albert is taller than Mike. In Luganda it's going to be Albert muwanvu okusinga Mike. Is that okay? You're having two items. You have Albert and Mike. So you compare using the adjectives. Don't forget that channel is Benny Ben 2178. Here we learn English and Luganda language with ease. So that is how we can compare two things or two people. Is that okay? So hope you've learned something. Bye bye. Wait about.